So yes, let us start with today's session. Since we have substantial number of people, I will start by the suspense. Yesterday you all saw that shoe and you all were very curious to know ये कैसा हो सकता है that somebody can see it white and pink and the others can see it gray and green. Then I sent out an explanation जिसमें ये बताया था मैंने आपको कि एक लेफ्ट ब्रेन है एक राइट ब्रेन है. लेफ्ट ब्रेन जो है उनको ग्रे एंड ग्रीन नज़र आता है क्योंकि वो बहुत लॉजिकली सोचते हैं. उनको हर चीज़ की रीजनिंग चाहिए, ऐसा है तो क्यों है. और जो वाइट एंड पिंक वाले हैं वो बहुत क्रिएटिवली सोचते हैं एंड दे थिंक more out of creativity. They don't look for logic too much. So they believe कि pink and white है तो क्या है. कई लोगों ने इसे डिफाई किया है, कई लोग इसे मैजिक कह रहे थे. It is not magic. It is just my way of communicating to you that we live in a world full of assumptions and beliefs. जो हमें लगता है ज़रूरी नहीं है, जो हमें दिखता है ज़रूरी नहीं है वो सच है. जो हम सुनते हैं और इवन इफ जो हम एक्सपीरियंस समथिंग, इवन दैट इज़ नॉट द एब्सोल्यूट ट्रुथ. लेफ्ट ब्रेन वाले लोग जो कि ज़्यादा थे ग्रे एंड ग्रीन, उनको बहुत सवाल थे कि ऐसा क्यों है सर, प्लीज़ हमको एक्सप्लेन करिए. मैं तो कहता हूँ लाइफ इज़ लाइक अ गेम, जस्ट प्ले इट. ऑफ कोर्स यू शुड इंक्वायर, यू शुड नो, but don't take it very seriously, my friends. Life is beautiful. Just go with the flow. Enjoy what is coming to you and just learn, be aware. हम जो कुछ भी करें, even if हम कभी गलती करें, लेकिन awareness में करें, हमें पता हो कि यार ये हम कर रहे हैं ठीक नहीं है, लेकिन मस्ती करने के लिए ठीक है, once a while, just for fun. Life is a play. Even work के बारे में belief है कि work बहुत कठिन है. I am telling you, if you start looking at work like a play, like they always say, if you make your passion your profession, you will not have to work a single day. Play it just like a game. I have an uncle whose name is Dr. Ram Keswani. He always teaches me one thing. I have been mentored in multiple areas from him, and he always says that beta, life is a marathon. It's not a sprint. हमें 100 meters दौड़ करके कहीं पहुंचना नहीं है. So live your life like a marathon. Take your goals like a marathon, like a 42 kilometer. Take rest in between. Enjoy the journey. Don't run it like a sprint. So coming back to our last session today. Last week, people who are new here, you graduated or you learned a lot about how to plan your goals, make your visions, create your aspirations. This week, we have been consistently talking about beliefs, and today is the concluding part of beliefs. We will not be covering beliefs from Monday onwards. So today you will have to go through the final learnings of beliefs. As you all know, tomorrow, which is Saturday, and Sunday is the Q&A, wherein you can come up with all questions related to your beliefs and your personal challenges. And I will try my best to attempt as many as I can. That's why I'm taking 2 days. Start putting in your questions tomorrow afternoon onwards. People who are going to miss me tomorrow 5, since Friday is what I'm going to come on. But I must also tell you to keep your schedule open on Monday, because Monday onwards I'm starting my favorite subject, which is relationships and happiness. How important is the role of our relationships in our so-called pursuit of happiness? So next week onwards we'll be doing that. People who are here today and want to continue, please watch my previous 3 sessions on beliefs on different areas. And today we are going to talk on beliefs about caste, हमारी जाति, हमारे looks, how we perceive and give meaning to our looks, our education and food. We will also add some general routine beliefs to cover the entire thing, which we call superstitions, हमारे वहम. So are you guys ready with your notes? If you are noting it down right now, but I'm telling you, just make a note of all this, and it's like a ready reckoner for life. Even way ahead in life, whenever you believe some challenges are coming up, just go through these notes or YouTube videos, and I'm telling you, you will feel a kind of positivity. I do not give positivity. I am just putting it out there. It's for you to take it. The onus is on you. People who like my other glasses today, I am very passionate, so I bought these new glasses today. Yeah, you must be wondering, आज सर ने चश्मा नहीं पहना है, पढ़ेंगे कैसे? मगर yes, आज भी मैं पढ़ूंगा. So let us start with food, looks or beliefs. आई थिंक विल डू इट विद लुक्स के बारे में लोगों को बहुत सारे बिलीव्स हैं. सो शिखा, इफ इट्स योर मोस्ट अवेटेड टॉपिक, यस, come on Monday. Coming back to looks, the first very important thing in India is your color of skin. Please stop demeaning the color of skin. अंग्रेज ज़्यादा अच्छे नहीं और काले ज़्यादा बुरे नहीं. चीनी नाटे इतने ख़राब नहीं हैं और लंबे इंग्लिश मैन यूरोपियंस ज़्यादा अच्छे नहीं हैं. हम सब बहुत अच्छे हैं. Stop demeaning the color and giving meaning to the color of your skin. Tall, dark and handsome is a good choice, is a belief on looks. I am sorry. Intelligence and compatibility is much more valuable. So stop looking for tall, dark and handsome guys. You all have this belief बचपन से ही. अरे लेकिन अगर उसको बुद्धि नहीं होगी तो क्या करेगा tallness को? Like I put today's post and everybody loved it in half an hour. It seems like there are many students out here. They wanted to share this with their parents. You must tell them. All educated people are intelligent is a belief. ये एक वहम है जो हमारे दिमाग में बचपन से डाला गया है कि अगर आप बहुत एजुकेटेड नहीं हो, अगर आपने बहुत डिग्रियां हासिल नहीं की तो तू जिंदगी में कुछ नहीं कर पाएगा. It may be true that education is extremely important, like money. It is extremely important, but it is not any measure of intelligence. Many billionaires are college dropouts. That doesn't mean I'm encouraging you to drop out. Please complete your education and enjoy the journey, but do not relate your intelligence. Just like many people have this belief, लोगों को ये वहम है that if you cannot speak English, you are not good enough. English is not a measure of intelligence. English is just a language of communication. So please do not demean yourself just in case you are not super highly educated, or just in case. Don't hide behind this belief, मैं क्या कर सकती हूँ, मेरी तो पढ़ाई नहीं हुई, मुझे कॉलेज छोड़ना पड़ा. So, yeah. Don't trust people with colored eyes is a belief on looks. That's absolutely true. I love people with colored eyes. So, people who have green, gray, blue eyes, enjoy. Women glow during pregnancy or even marriage brings glow to a lady's face. Respectfully disagree. It's the happiness from within. जो अंदर होता है वही बाहर दिखता है. जब अंदर से बेहद खुश होते हैं तो it is visible on the face. So people who believe that they can act, yes, you can act for a while, but the happiness has to glow from within. That's where the glow comes from. On a particular day, you should wear a particular color. People have these beliefs. I am telling you this isn't true. Or if I wear the wrong color, bad luck will happen to me. I am sorry. Some people wear the same tie or the shoe. I am telling you, as long as these beliefs are empowering you and they are making you feel better, like if Sachin is wearing a particular number or if somebody is taking a particular act. Like for me, I used to believe 8 is a very lucky number. It's not bad. It does not harm you. But it should not demean or limit you just because you can't do it. So please make sure that it's an empowering one on your looks. Coming to the next subject is about food. So looks पर और हैं, you can write down whatever your beliefs are on food. Multiple beliefs, I will just read out a few in every area. Eating sugar gives us diabetes. Absolutely wrong. When I was a young boy, I aspired to be a pilot. I used to write that in every essay that I wrote. When I grew up, I want to be a pilot. And my mom took note of that because my father used to wear very thick spectacles. Right from childhood, I had been told कि गाजर खाएगा तो आँखें तेरी अच्छी रहेंगी. So please, this is a belief. Carrots do not make your eyesight better. Fortunately, I went through it. मैं pilot तो नहीं बन पाया, मगर definitely yes, I learned to fly the plane once when I was in San Pedro in Belize, little ahead of Mexico, and I thoroughly enjoyed it. It was a small, fun plane, which actually flew, by the way, only 2,000 feet above sea level. Yeah, and I think this is chewing gum mat khaya karo, पेट में अटक जाता है. Now that's very funny. That isn't true because so many people have had so many chewing gums, but it's not very good thing to have. That's why Singapore has banned it. And as long as you can avoid it. If you want to have good muscles or protein in your diet, you have to have meat. That's absolutely not true. There is amazing protein in nuts, in dry fruits, and so many other things that you can look for up on Google. It's not only meat, so please break that belief of food. Oils cheeses, butters, and all fats are bad for you. Sorry. Again, a belief. Fried food makes you fat. Yes, more of anything makes you fat, but not necessarily only fried food. Another belief is egg vegetarian or non-vegetarian? It's a question that you need to find out for yourself. But again, like I said, don't take it too seriously. Play it like a game. Enjoy the journey. Organic food has better nutrition value. This is a new fad. Everybody wants to have organic food. It's absolutely fine if you can afford it, but don't demean food that is not organic. It is absolutely a myth. Please break that. Get some more knowledge about it. Some funny ones. Fortune cookies actually come out true, and they were originally from China. No, I got my truths corrected. They are originally invented in Japan, introduced in America, and now neither China nor Japan uses fortune cookies. USA is the one who uses it. So yes, enjoy it like a joke. Spicy foods, मुझे कहा जाता था, will give you ulcer in the stomach, acidity हो जाएगी और अगले दिन सवेरे बहुत तकलीफ होगी. Spicy food, शायद belief भी हो सकता है, शायद health condition हो सकती है. About eyes, like I had always said, when I was a kid, every evening when I went to play, my mother used to give me a 25 paise coin and I used to go and have a sugarcane juice. She started that habit in me early, and when I used to go to the sugarcane wala, I recollect every time Mama used to tell him, भैया बर्फ मत डालना, बर्फ खाने से इसका गला खराब होता है. And then every time she gave me that 25 paise coin, she used to say, juice जरूर पीना बेटा, बर्फ मत डलवाना. She did this for 5-6 years. And since that, it has embedded in my head that if I add ice, मेरा गला खराब हो जाएगा. कई बार तो हुआ because मैंने अट्रैक्ट किया, मगर I have been able to break that belief. अब मैं बर्फ खाता हूँ. Red wine is good alcohol. It's a great belief people have put into our head. Red meat should not be eaten. Seafood is bad for you. On a particular day, Tuesday, you should be vegetarian. Again, all beliefs about this has got into even our religion. You know, you'll be surprised that even prayer for that matter, जो कि हमें रोज करनी चाहिए, हमने भगवान ने हमको बांट दिया है. मतलब हमने भगवान को बांट दिया है हफ्ते के अलग अलग दिनों पर. Monday we go to Shiv temple only because it is called the day of strength. You need to work throughout the week. Tuesdays we go to Ganpati Siddhi Vinayak because that's the only day he's there. Other days he's traveling. Wednesday we go to the church to noveno so that our wishes get fulfilled. Jesus Christ is busy on apart from Wednesdays and Sundays. Thursdays we tend to go to Sai Baba because Thursday को Sai Baba सुन सकते हैं. बाकी दिनों में शायद Friday को ही सिर्फ नमाज पढ़ी जाती है अपने mosque में और मस्जिद में. And there are some namazis who read it 5 times in a day. So yes. सैटरडे को हनुमान जी के पास जाना चाहिए, शक्ति चाहिए क्योंकि रात को पार्टी करनी है, संडे को मज़ा करना है. और संडे ऑफ कोर्स अपनी बीवी, अपनी गर्लफ्रेंड और अपने घर वालों की बात माननी चाहिए. सो हमने भगवान को भी दिनों में बांट दिया है. ये सब हमारे वहम है और हमें इसे तोड़ने चाहिए. उसी तरह कुछ वहम हमारी भाषाओं पर, हमारी कास्ट के ऊपर है. दैट्स वेरी इंटरेस्टिंग ऑल्सो. प्लीज़ दैट विल ओनली लिमिट यू. सो डू नॉट लेट दीज बिलीव्स लिमिट यू. मेक अ नोट ऑफ व्हाट इज इट. This is the last time I'm talking of beliefs, but if you can overcome your beliefs and get curious, communicate and get information and start breaking them in small bits and pieces, life will be amazing. I'm telling you, it's fun. Bengalis बड़े सुस्त होते हैं. They are slow movers. They only like sports. North Indian और पंजाबी गालियाँ बहुत देते हैं और शराब बहुत पीते हैं. असल में पटियाला पैक की शुरुआत ही पंजाब से हुई थी. That is again a belief. Yes, Patiala Pack came from Patiala, but that doesn't mean that the other part of the world doesn't drink. Sindhis कंजूस और flashy होते हैं बहुत. Hyderabadi Sindhis in particular. In Sindhis also there are subcastes, so there are many. I won't get into that. Gujaratis speak a lot. Wherever you see 3-4 Gujaratis, non-stop chabar chabar chabar. Parsis take care of their cars a lot and everything that they own. They are very possessive about their possessions. Who is not? I love my car absolutely very much. A lot since I am born has been heard about jokes being cracked on Sardarjis. But I'm telling you, Sardarjis are the most intelligent, hardworking, sincere, best people I have met in my entire life. As a matter of fact, I'm surprised that in my entire life, I have never seen a Sardar ever begging. Of course, there are many other castes who do not beg, but I've never seen a Sardar begging. As a matter of fact, at every incident that has happened anywhere in the world, Sardars have been the first to come up, serve and help community and mankind, and I salute all the Sardarjis. Sat Sri Akal. Yes. Marwaris are stingy and it's extremely hard to get money out of them. It's a belief. क्या दिल खोल के खर्चा करते हैं यार शादियों में, गहनों पर, जेवर पर, अपने बच्चों की ख्वाहिशों पर. I respectfully disagree. Muslims are anti-national and they probably are looked upon as another caste. I respectfully disagree. मेरे ज़िंदगी के सारे अच्छे कारीगर, मोस्ट क्राफ्ट्समैन, सब अजूबे की चीज़ें इंक्लूडिंग दी ताजमहल एंड अमेजिंग people all over, even Dharavi, they make some amazing craftsmanship. They have contributed great. So Muslims ki beliefs. So please break these beliefs and come out of them. Employ people from all categories, hire people, embrace people. Last but least, जो सबसे ज़्यादा common वाले beliefs हैं, जो कि हम short में we will just go through. I understand some families do not allow people to get friendly out of the caste or even marry out of the caste, and I think love is something which is very different, and we are in the 21st century. जो पुराने हमारे बहुत सारे चीज़ें हैं, beliefs, common ones, then you can start. Okay, the last sheet that I have ready with me. Of course, you heard me that day. जब बिल्ली रास्ता काटती है तो बैड लक है, बिल्कुल नहीं, absolutely not. Eunuchs, जब हमसे रास्ते में यूनिक्स, इफ दे आस्क यू फॉर सम मनी एंड यू डोंट पे देम, उनकी कर्स लगती है, उनकी बद्दुआ लगती है. आई एम सॉरी, ऐसा कुछ नहीं है. इफ यू वांट टू गिव देम, ऑफ कोर्स इट्स ग्रेट टू शेयर, बट प्लीज कर्ड एंड शुगर की एक स्पून जरूर खाया करो ताकि जिस काम से गुजरे हो वो पूरा होगा. घर से इफ यू मूव आउट, डोंट टर्न बैक बिकॉज देन इट मे बी अनलक. एंड लाइक आई टोल्ड यू, किसी जानवर ने आपके ऊपर शिट कर दिया, तो पिजन और स्पैरो और अ क्रो शिट्स ऑन यू, इट्स गुड लक. कम ऑन, हाउ कैन यू गेट गुड लक? बट यस, इट्स अ बिलीफ सो दैट आपको दर्द ना हो, तकलीफ ना हो, आप हंसते हुए अपने काम पर जाएं. या बिलीव्स अगेन, लाइक आई सेड, they are empowering and limiting. If they can make you happy, peaceful and empower you to do anything, it's fine and you can believe on them, but keep it to yourself. दूसरों पर थोपे मत. Don't make sure that everybody who listens to you should agree to it. Okay? Don't cut nails at night. मेरी मम्मी कहती थी मामा गुम हो जाएगा. मैं बोलता था मम्मी मेरे पास 4 मामे हैं, 1-2 गुम भी हो गए तो चले, लेकिन आज तक मैं 50 साल से नाखून जब भी काटा हूँ, इवन रात को, यस, मामे गुम नहीं होते. My wife has this strong belief that she has beautiful hair, like I always say. If you keep your hair open in the night and walk on the street, a bat, एक चमगादड़ आपके बालों पे आके चिपक जाता है. It's a belief. Please break that. I have tried my best. Bulls are attracted by the red color. So if you are wearing a red color and you see a bull, keep away. He may attack you. Another belief, our bad luck, if starts, usually lasts for 7.5 years. 7.5 कहते हैं उसे. I again, in myself, people stop putting in effort कि नहीं यार अब तो बैड लक शुरू हुई है, 4 साल हो गए हैं, 3.5 साल ऐसा ही चलेगा. हाँ, बुरा वक्त आता है. I don't disagree with that. I have been through that phases, but not necessarily 7.5 years. Somebody told me if you color your hair will turn faster. Sir, you should not color, or some people say you should color, but it's a belief again. अगर हिचकी आई, if you have hiccups, somebody is remembering you. What a belief. If you bite your tongue, somebody is cursing you. अगर आपकी हाथ की मेहंदी, my wife told me this today, अगर आपकी हाथ की मेहंदी ज़्यादा रंग लाए तो your husband loves you very much. Come on, guys. Your husband any which way loves you very much. Okay? Expensive things are good and they suit me. Branded stuff looks great on me. As I told you, your personality does not lie as much as on the branded stuff as the language you speak and the way you treat people. That's where it makes you look good. कपड़े उल्टे पहन लिए, if you wear your clothes upside down, तो आज लक होने वाली है. अरे people will laugh at you. Stop being funny. ओके अगर चप्पल एक के ऊपर एक चढ़ जाए, इफ यू पुट योर स्लीपर्स वन ओवर द अदर, गेट रेडी, यू आर गोइंग टू ट्रैवल समवेयर. So these are the few beliefs that I wanted to share with you all. Make your own list, create your own understandings, realizations, but my humble request is break your beliefs, overcome them, and come out with a new awakening, a new morning in your life. A new life awaits you from the 3rd. Once this so-called lockdown is open, a lot of new avenues will open up. You will get a chance to open your wings and fly. The universe has taken an entire shift. Break your beliefs, question, enjoy your life, celebrate, get ready for next week's sessions. People who have challenges on relationships must attend the next week's sessions. They are an eye-opener. Like I say, I will never tell you something that you don't know. I'll just make it easy and good for you to understand and you to apply. Okay? Reading a few questions. Today I just got a comment saying कि सर लगता है आपने ये फैसला कर लिया है कि आप लोगों के दिमाग में बस जाओगे. You are making a place in our heads. Sorry guys, I'm wanting to make a place in your heart. Please keep me there, and I am so grateful. We have only few more days left of these sessions. I will continue till the end of the quarantine, and then people who want to continue chatting with me or staying in touch with me, being in the energy, feel free. So on that note, I will call it a day. I have got quite a few questions. Many people have asked me to get me together online. Yeah, instead of telling me here, डॉगी को खाना खिलाने से गुड लक आता है. वर्तिका is telling me. That's awesome. Yeah. So many beliefs. Come on. Okay. So on that note, संडे को भगवान को छुट्टी होती है, व्हाट विदु सेज. नहीं, भगवान को छुट्टी, भगवान हर रोज हर समय हमारे साथ हैं. इवन राइट नाउ. That's awesome. Thank you guys. It's so much fun coming online. I'm going to miss you tomorrow, but again to remind you, Saturday and Sunday there is going to be no session, only Q&A. Ask me anything. Make your questions specific. Don't ask me questions that I sometimes cannot answer, because I can only not look at one angle of your lives and get my recommendations. And please don't follow me blindly. Use your intelligence also. I am here to guide you. अगर किसी ने आपने किसी से रास्ता पूछा और उसने आपको बोला सीधा जाओ, गूगल भी बोलता है सीधा जाओ, मगर योर गट टेल्स यू कि नहीं यार, यू शुड चेक मोर. सो प्लीज चेक मोर. ओके, that's it for today. Tomorrow, please send me your questions. Let's make it fun. I'm going to share your answers, because the beauty is, like I say, solutions are all holistic. When I will be able to put out those questions to others, it will be applying to others also. So thank you and bye bye. रोज सोचता हूँ 20 मिनट में बंद करूँगा, मगर 5 मिनट एक्स्ट्रा हो जाते हैं. But still, bye bye. Take care. Love you. You guys are awesome.